As soon as he came home with a dog bite, his aunt rushed to make an alum paste to apply on the wound. That was not the right thing to do. Several myths prevail around dog bites. Applying turmeric paste, neem paste, chili powder solution, or resorting to faith healing. Some are afraid that they will have to take 14 injections in the stomach, and this fear keeps them from seeking medical help. All these are myths and misbeliefs. Hundreds of people die from dog bites just because of the lack of timely first aid and treatment. The cause of death is rabies, a fatal disease. Nearly 60,000 people worldwide die of rabies each year. Out of these, about 20,000 are Indians. This is a cause for concern and regret, as rabies is a totally preventable disease. Our topic for today: first aid for dog bite. Dogs are our friends, companions, and guards, but dogs may sometimes bite. A bite from a dog infected with rabies is a grave medical emergency. What is rabies? Rabies is a disease caused by a virus. This virus is known to infect mammals. Since most rabies cases are due to bites from infected dogs, we will talk about first aid for dog bite. The saliva of an infected animal carries the rabies virus. When an infected dog bites us or licks a cut or wound on our skin, the virus enters our body. The virus travels through the nerves and reaches the brain, and it multiplies there. The symptoms of rabies may take time to appear, from 4 days to 2 years after the bite. Once the symptoms appear, rabies is incurable and fatal. What should we do in case of dog bites? Do watch and understand very carefully. Move the person who is bitten to a safe place without putting yourself in danger. Never try to stop or catch any dog. Do try to identify the dog if possible. Reassure the patient, and without losing any time, start washing the bite site under a steady stream of water. Apply soap and wash thoroughly for at least 15 minutes, rubbing the area vigorously. Wash every part, even minor scratches. Soap will kill any viruses present, and the water will wash them away. All bites, minor or major, should be immediately washed with soap under a steady stream of water for at least 15 minutes. Wash thoroughly. Work up a lather. Do not leave out any part. Apply an antiseptic after washing and take the patient to a doctor immediately. All dog bites should be examined by a doctor. Remember, rabies vaccines are given free of cost in government hospitals. You will be injected in the arm as well as on the bite site. You may need more than one injection. Take the doctor's advice seriously and complete your treatment. Any carelessness could prove to be fatal. Remember, even a pup or kitten less than 3 months may be infected. A bite or a lick on a scratch or wound may lead to rabies. Some important information now, as safety and prevention are better than treatment and cure. Prevent dog bites by remembering these important things. Never provoke or scare any dog. Never leave a child alone near any unknown dog. Never touch a dog that is eating or tied. Stay away from an angry or scared dog. If an unknown dog approaches you, do not run or scream. Stand still and remain calm. Do vaccinate your pet dog and cat as per schedule and keep them free of rabies. It is important to know the symptoms of rabies in a dog. Change in behavior and habits. It will behave abnormally. It may start biting, or it may be dull and listless. Constant salivation, displaced jaw, and excessive salivation. It may start fearing water. May not like to be petted or touched. Change in voice. Symptoms of paralysis in some body parts. Start avoiding light. If you notice such symptoms in any dog around you, then do inform the municipal department right away. Time to see how to administer first aid for dog bite one more time. Reassure and calm the patient. Immediately wash the bite site thoroughly with soap under a steady stream of water for at least 15 minutes. Apply an antiseptic to the affected area. Take the patient to a doctor. Follow the doctor's advice. Time for your task. Find out the home remedies commonly used in your area for dog bite. Find out other myths and misconceptions too. Create awareness regarding rabies and the correct first aid and treatment to be given in case of a dog bite. Make a poster and put it up in a public place where it can be seen by one and all. The World Health Organization has set up a goal to eradicate rabies deaths by the year 2030. Become a part of this campaign. Remember, rabies is a fatal disease, but with the rabies vaccine, it is 100% preventable. Learn first aid, stay alert, stay safe.